So children, today in the sets, already we have discussed about the sets basics, what is union, what is intersection, what is complement, what is minus, what is universal set. All this I have discussed you. Okay, so what was the union, children? Do you remember? Union means all the numbers, but you should not take repeating numbers again. Intersection means only common numbers. Subtraction means suppose A minus B means remove all B's from A. Suppose B from A, B minus A means remove all A's from B. Complement means universal set. Suppose A complement. What is A complement? Mu minus A. Suppose B complement. What is B complement? Mu minus B. What is mu? Mu means universal set. What is universal set? The combination of all sets is called universal set. Combination of all sets. Every set is a subset of universal set. Means mu is there, A is there, B is there, C is there. This is also subset of this. This is also subset of this. This is also subset. Subset means it is a part of it. A, B, C together will become a universal set. Okay, children. So complement means always subtract from universal set. Like this. Now, how to draw Venn diagrams? For this, how to draw Venn diagrams? Today, I will discuss how to draw Venn diagrams. Venn diagrams will play important role in our daily activities, children. In anything, Venn diagrams will play important role in separating the group of elements in easy method. Means by pictorially we can understand how the things are separated, how the things are common, how the things are deviated, like this. Simple, children. Example I will show you. Suppose A is 1, 3, 5, 7, 8, 9. Imagine. Okay. So children, B is 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. Think. Okay, children. Then Venn diagrams will be represented like this. This is A and this is B. Please see, children. This is A Venn diagram and this is B Venn diagram. First, this is called as common point, means it is intersection, indirectly intersection. Intersection means all of you know common terms only. All of you know common terms only intersection will come. Where these both Venn diagram circles are intersecting, there we should write common terms for both of them. Common terms for both of them are 8 and 9. All of you can see that 8 and 9 is only common term. Okay. Apart from 8 and 9, what are there in A? Apart from 8 and 9, we have 1, 3, 5, 7. Okay, children? 1, 3, 5, 7. And 1 second. Okay. Apart from 8 and 9 in B, what are there? 2, 4, 6. Now you see, children. Easily we can answer by drawing Venn diagrams. What is A union B? A union B means all the things. What are all the things? 1 is there, 2 is there, 3 is there, 4 is there, 5 is there, 6 is there, 7 is there, 8 is there, 9 is there. What is A intersection B? 8 and 9. Directly you can write 8 and 9. In the figure we can pictorially, we can nicely show that. And A minus B. What is A minus B? What is A minus B? This one, check. 1, 3, 5, 7. Means we are removing A, B and common elements. So only this 1, 3, 5, 7. 1, 3, 5, 7. Okay. Suppose B minus A. B minus A means, children, only this, 2, 4, 6. Only 2, 4, 6. This is how it will be useful. Suppose someone will give you universal set also. Universal set around the Venn diagrams will represent it with a big rectangle. This is called universal set. Around Venn diagrams, you will represent it with big rectangle. Okay, children, that is the use of Venn diagrams we have to. Okay, no, sir, we want one more example. If you say, I'll give one more example. I'll give one more example. I hope everyone understood. If you are understanding, you have to simultaneously copy along with each other. If not, all these examples will go waste, and you have to see video again and again to understand the concept. Keep writing with me. One more example. Venn diagrams. So Venn diagrams means a pictorial representation of pictorial representation of elements of individual A, B, C, or whatever it is. Okay. Suppose, children, here Universal set is, let me say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. A is 1, 3, 5, 7, 8. Okay. B is 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. C is 2, 3, 5, 7, 8, 9. Imagine. Okay, children. Now we will draw universal set and individual sets. First, I will draw A. This is A, B, and this is C. Okay, children. And this is universal set. Okay, this is universal set. Children, this is A, B, C. Children, can anyone say what is the common between A, B, and C? Which element is common element?
8.
8, sir.
That we should write here. Now, can anyone say what is the common elements between A and B, children? A and B. Only A and B.
8.
8, sir.
Yes, Nana? What? Only 8 is there. So leave it. What is the common element between A and C, children? Anyone? Common elements between A and C?
3, 5, 7, 8.
3, 5, 7, 8.
5, 7, 8.
5, 7, 8. Already 8 has come here. So you write 3, 5, 7. Like this. Already 8 is over, no children. Already 8 is over. Because this common thing is extending up to here. 3, 5, 7, 8. Now, can anyone say what is the common between B and C, children? Anyone between B and C?
2, sir.
2,
2,
8,
sir.
9.
2 and
2, 8, 9.
2, 8, 9. 8 is over, so write 2, 9. Okay, children. Now you see, children. In A, 3, 5, 7, 8 is over. 3, 5, 7, 8 is there. Only 1 is left, so 1 we have to write. In B, children, 2, 8, 9 is over. 2, 8, 9 is over. 2, 8, 9. Only 4 and 6 is there that I am writing here. Okay. Now in C, children, in C, what over 2, 8, 9, 3, 5, 7, everything. 2, 5, 8, 9, 7, 3, all are over, children, in C. Everything is over. And all these things, one number is not included in anywhere, children. In universal set, that is 10. 10 we will write in the universal set. 10 we will write in universal set. That's all. Okay, so now if ever anyone asks you what is A intersection B intersection C means, simple answer you can directly from the Venn diagrams you can give 8. Suppose anyone asks you what is A intersection B, because children, this is for small numbers directly we can do. No sir, you may ask, this is only example. Some terms will be very, very tough, children. By shading also they will show. Shadings I will say in the next class. Only by shading also you can show, children. So all those things will come in programmings and different things, children. So A intersection B. What is A intersection B, children? Null set. Sorry, not empty set, children, not null set. Empty set. Null set means 0. Okay. And suppose anyone will ask you A intersection C. A intersection C. You can say A intersection C is what is A? 3, 5, 7, 8. 3, 5, 7.
Sir, in A intersection B, why 8 won't come?
No, 8 won't come. One second. In A intersection B, 8 is there, yeah. In A intersection B, sorry, 8 is there, children. I forgot. No one is saying. In A intersection B, 8 will come. Why it won't come? 8 is coming. Okay. And next in A intersection C, what will come? 3, 5, 7, 8. 3, 5, 7, 8. And in B intersection C, children, all of you please see here, A B intersection C, what will get? 8, 2, 9. 8, 2, 9. Like this. So individually, every component you can write using Venn diagrams. Like this, you can write, children. So many things. Okay. So Venn diagram construction, whenever they give this numbers and they will ask you to draw a Venn diagram composition, means you should draw like this, children. This is basic. From what in the future, what you'll get means they will give the Venn diagram only, and they'll ask you to identify A intersection B intersection C. They won't give these numbers. These numbers separately they won't give. In the future, they will give only, means in future classes I will give only Venn diagrams. This topics numbers inside I'll give, and I'll ask you to find out each one. You should be in a position to say like this. These are Venn diagrams. Apart from this, children, apart from this, here this is called universal set, children. Universal set means what is universal set? Every set is a subset of universal set. Every set. This is one set. This is one set. This is one set. They are subset. This is also subset. This is also subset. Subset means it belongs to them. The all combination is universal set. And universal set extra also one has the 10 number. I wrote it outside. Different questions will come on this, children. I will be giving as a worksheet to you in the next class, and I will only solve all the questions, children. I will only solve all the questions. Okay, one more question, children. Now see here. Next, children, one more question based on this. N of A union B is equal to N of A plus N of B minus N of A intersection B. This is one formula, children. You should remember apart from Venn diagrams in the sets. If suppose this comes here, then this goes here. Or suppose if anyone asks N of A intersection B is equal to N of A plus N of B minus N of A union, like this also. This is a basic formula. N means number of terms. Number of terms. N means number of terms. Like suppose A has 1, 2, 3, 4. Imagine B has 3, 4, 5, 6, like this. So what is number of terms in A? 4. What is number of terms in B? What is number of terms in B, children? 4. And what is the common terms in both of them? Common terms in both of them, 3 and 4, 2. Okay, children. So 4 plus 4 is 8. 8 minus 2 is 6. Answer is 6. Means if you combine these both, children, you will get 6 terms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Am I correct, children? If you combine N of A union B, normally A union B, if you do, children, how many you are getting? 6, no, children? 6. That means this is one formula. N of A union B is equal to N of A. Means number of terms only. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 terms. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 terms. And intersection. Both intersection, how many are there? Only 3, 4. 2 terms are there. 8 minus 2, 6. A union B also 6. This is one formula. This is one formula, and that formula is also there, children. I will show in the next class because that will be very big formula. So apart from the Venn diagrams, you have to remember this also, children. Apart from Venn diagram, what is N? N means inside number. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 numbers. It may be anything. 1, 2, 3, 4. It can be anything, but total number. N means number of elements present in union. Number of elements present in A. Number of elements present in B. Number of elements present in A intersection B. Basing on this, children, some questions I will give as homework. You try to do and submit. So, children, what I will do means every Monday, every Friday, we will take an IIT class, children. Okay, Monday we will discuss maths. Friday we will discuss physics and chemistry. Okay, and for this also I will give homework separately. For this also I will give homework separately. How to conduct tests on both of this on Sunday, we will discuss later. Okay, children, these are the small topics which I wanted to discuss in Venn diagrams. I have completed, children. So I will be giving homework. All of you try to do that homework and submit to me, children, in the next classes. Okay, children. Anyone have any doubt?
Sir, మళ్ళీ explain చేస్తారా?